What is sleep deprivation? As per sleep and health experts, adults need at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Sleeping less than 7 hours or not sleeping at all is called sleep deprivation. According to research, sleep deprivation is associated with a wide range of physical, cognitive, and mental health issues. So let's discuss the 5 stages of sleep deprivation. Stage 1. After 24 hours. Most people with hectic work schedules like surgeons and nurses or parents taking care of sick child or student preparing for exam may often miss sleep for around or even more than 24 hours. It's common to feel tired, but it's not associated with any serious health issues. But not sleeping for 24 hours is the same as having a blood alcohol concentration of 0.9%, which is higher than the limit to legally drive 0.08% in all states in the US. In short, drowsy driving is similar to drunk driving. Common health symptoms of sleep deprivation for 24 hours is irritability, anger, drowsiness, high risk of stress, decreased alertness, brain fog, low concentration, fatigue, puffy eyes or dark under eye circles, risk of accident while driving, and food cravings. Stage 2. After 36 hours. Staying awake for 36 hours leads to an overwhelming urge to sleep and brief periods of sleep that occurs involuntarily. 36 hours of sleep deprivation affects communication between different parts of the brain, which in turn impairs cognitive performance. Not sleeping for so long also causes hormonal imbalance, which disturbs several bodily functions. Common health symptoms of sleep deprivation for 36 hours is behavioral changes, risky decision-making, impaired memory, difficulty processing social cues, slow reaction time, increased error, increased inflammation, impaired immune function, extreme fatigue, extreme appetite, speech impairment such as poor word choice. Stage 3. After 48 hours. After staying awake for 48 hours, it is harder to stay awake and you're highly likely to experience a microsleep. The brain is in a sleep-like state that can last up to 30 seconds. After microsleep, you feel more confused and disoriented. You may tend to see or hearing things that aren't actually there. Do you know that 48 hours of sleep deprivation may also disturb the immune system? Inflammatory marks that protects our body from target illness start to circulate at an increased level. Common health symptoms of sleep deprivation for 48 hours is anxiety, high stress levels, increased irritability, depersonalization, and extreme fatigue. Stage 4. Awake for 72 hours. After staying awake for 72 hours, you have the urge to sleep like dead meat. You tend to experience more frequent and longer periods of microsleep, impaired perception of reality, hallucinations, and limited ability to perform executive functions, like paying attention or multitasking, or completing even simple tasks. Emotions are affected and you may be easily irritated. According to research, sleep deprivation decreases your ability to understand others' emotion. In one study, participants who didn't sleep for 30 hours were unable to recognize angry and happy facial expressions. Common health symptoms of sleep deprivation for 72 hours is depressed mood, anxiety, disordered thinking, illusion, delusion, and depersonalization. Stage 5. Awake for 96 hours or more. This is an excessive sleep deprivation stage that occurs mainly due to chronic insomnia or events of trauma. After 4 days of sleep loss, you will have an overwhelming urge to sleep and may become easily irritated. Staying awake for 96 hours significantly alters perception. Many find it difficult to stay awake on their own. Common health symptoms of sleep deprivation for 96 hours. Unbearable urge for sleep. Distorted perception of reality also refers to sleep deprivation psychosis. Risk of sleep deprivation psychosis. So, are you struggling with sleep deprivation? Please let me know in the comment section below. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.